Hello friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Coaching. Let us talk about case studies. What is a case study? As the name suggests, it is the study of a particular case. And what do I mean by a case is it can be a study of an individual or it can be study of a group of people who are living in a particular tribe, a group of people living in a community, a group of people belonging to the same background. So, when we are doing an in depth study of some particular unit, we may call it a unit. So, when we are doing an in depth study or a detailed study of a unit, it is called case study. So it is an in-depth study. It can be done on an individual or a group of people. For example, you are doing a case study on the writers, on artists or players. They have similar backgrounds or similar type of job profiles. In case study we use different multiple methods to complete our study. So we use observation methods also, we sometimes use interviews also, we use psychological testings also, because whenever we are doing a case study, the case or the unit on which we are doing our research also knows that they are being studied. Most of the time they know that they are being studied, so we generally tend to observe them. We also ask them certain things, so it involves interviews also. We do certain kinds of testing on them also. So to understand person mind and behavior, we try to understand how the mental processes of that particular unit works and how their behavior, whether they are similar or they have individual differences, how certain things occur. Provides narrative and detailed description. So case study is about providing the narrative of the particular behavior shown by that particular individual or that group. So it is a very detailed description of that person. Many famous psychologists like Sigmund Freud, John Piaget has also used case study methods for formulating their specific theories. The only problem in case study is that the validity of a single case cannot be generalized on everyone. So generalization is a problem in case of case study method. You cannot generalize everything that you have researched on, that belongs to a certain individual or a group. You cannot generalize that to everybody or the whole population. So generalization is a problem in case of case study. Otherwise it is a very useful method to collect detailed data about a person's behavior. Thanks for watching.